Welcome to our tutorial on the Find and Replace feature. In this video, we'll walk you through how to efficiently manage product specifications and text modifications. Let's begin by exploring the Find and Replace feature for product specifications. Enabling the Import Specifications option imports AliExpress product specifications into your WooCommerce product's additional information field. You'll find a section in Import List where you can edit these specifications before finalizing the import. Now, let's test the Find and Replace feature with a random string. I'll use season as an example. By checking the case-sensitive option, the search will only match text with the exact uppercase and lowercase letters specified. Leaving the Replace field blank removes the specified term entirely. It's the same for the specification values. To delete specification values, simply leave them blank. To retain the initial specification values, you can enter a placeholder or add new values as needed. Moving on to modifying product titles and descriptions, changes made in this table affect both the title and description. For instance, removing the word women from the title will reflect in the import from AliExpress to your WooCommerce site. Lastly, there's an option to import product specifications directly into the product description. This eliminates the need to duplicate setups between specification and description tables. What's set up in the Find and Replace table for specifications will auto be applied to the product description. Let's see it in action.